Hello, Alicent Hightower. What you need to know about Viserys' new wife in House of the Dragon? Alicent Hightower is a key player in the House of Dragon drama. Here is everything you need to know about King Viserys' new wife and Rhaenyra's friend. Alicent Hightower is the one of the most important character in the House of the Dragon, with King Viserys second marrying Alicent. That means she will be the new queen of the Seven Kingdoms. This marriage will propel the story towards the inevitable dance of the dragons. Alicent is a fascinating character who is deeply enchanted in the lives both Viserys and Rhaenyra's dragon. From her family history to her marriage to Viserys and what it ultimately means for Rhaenyra's Hollywood life is getting you up to speed on what you know about Alicent. Alicent Hightower is the daughter of Sir Otto Hightower. Sir Otto is a current hand of the king to Viserys in the House of the Dragon. After Queen Emma's tragic death during childbirth in the series premiere, Otto encourages his daughter to befriend the grieving king. Alice is very close to Rhaenyra's daughter of King Viserys. However, their friendship becomes fractured when Alicent becomes Viserys' second wife. The younger version of Alicent Hightower is played by Emily Carey. The 19-year-old is known for her roles in Casualty and Get Even. House of the Dragon will eventually jump forward in time 7 years. When that happens, Oliver Queen will take over the role of Alicent Hightower. For more videos, keep up to date with my channel and subscribe and click on the bell icon so that all the new upcoming videos will come to you first. Thank you.